Hey guys, we're back with another installation video. As you can see here, we have the Challenger, and today we're gonna go ahead and do the VZ10-1701. It is the new style for it, so we're gonna show you how to assemble it and install it onto the car. Let's get right into it. So first part we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and assemble the diffuser. It's quick and easy. So what you want to get is both the pieces. So this is the right side, and then this will be the left side. And then the hardware that comes included are 4 silver screws and 2 black tabs, 2 for each side, and then 1 on each side for the black tabs. So to assemble the piece, we're gonna go ahead and grab the first side fin, and we're gonna line it up with the holes and attach it onto there. Once you have it in place, you could get one of the silver screws and just put it in there at first by hand, so it holds it in place. Then after that, you wanna get a Phillips tip. You can use a screwdriver or a power drill and just slowly do it. After you put those, you want to get the black tab. So you want to get the flat one first and put it through the hole at the bottom. And once you have that in place, then you want to get the planks to the screw piece and just shove it in there. Once you hear the click, simple, easy. So the same thing you did on this side, we're going to just go ahead and do on the other side. And there you go, we have the diffuser assembled, fast and quick. Next, we're gonna go ahead and install the reflectors. They're your OEM ones, you don't have to buy any new ones. So we're just gonna screw it on right here with the OEM bolt that it comes with. It's simple, easy, just pop off and screw them on. That one there. Get the second one, put it in place. Like that. And there you go. Same reflectors. So after you put the OEM reflectors on, we're gonna go ahead and attach the diffuser onto it. So this might need a 2-people job. So before you attach the diffuser in place, you are gonna wanna go ahead and attach your sensors on into the little pockets that are come with. So you're just gonna go ahead and get your sensor and put it into the pocket right here, which is easy, just clip it on. And it should be like that. And you're just gonna do the same thing for all the rest of the 3. So after you get all your sensors in, as you can see, it's holding the diffuser up. We're gonna go ahead and clip it in. Make sure to always start from the middle and then work your way to the sides. You can see here, we got the driver's side on. Let's finish up on the passenger side. And there you go. Diffuser's all clipped in. Make sure to double check to see there aren't any loose. So right after you have the diffuser all clipped in and all secure, you're just going ahead and grab your OEM tabs that you removed earlier from your other diffuser and just put them in the same place that they go. Put the second one on this side. And then you'll want to go ahead and put the tabs on the inside of the liner. So once we have the diffuser all completely reattached, I'm going to go ahead and put back on our exhaust tips. Put the passenger side on. Now that we have all the diffuser clipped in and all tabbed up, being that this is our wide body Challenger, we are going to go ahead and reattach the 2 bottom pieces that come with the wide body kit, the VZ10-1488. All right guys, that's it for this installation. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Like you see here is the VZ10-1701. It was perfectly easy. Hope you guys enjoy everything for coming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Hit us up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Don't forget to watch our TikToks. Thank you guys so much. See you guys on the next video.